So we use egg roll wrappers to make the shumai wrappers. You can see the package, and the reason is that they're very thin and delicate. They're made with flour, eggs, salt, and water, and rolled out really, really thin. You can get them square or round. We took the square ones and cut 2 circles out of each. They're pretty large, and they allow us to make these beautiful wrappers that we're then going to use. So I'm just going to put 2 wrappers out on my board and keep the others under slightly moistened paper towel, or you could use plastic wrap to cover them because they dry out pretty quickly. And you'll see I have some water here. You can use a pastry brush or your fingers. I think hands are the best tools, so I tend to use those. And I have some grated carrot that's going to go as a little garnish on top. I also have a steamer here. Now, a traditional bamboo steamer, if you can get it, is the best thing to use. But you can also use this. It opens out so far and can also squeeze up and be that little in a smaller pan. And what I'm going to do is line it with some parchment paper that I've cut out to the right size, and you can use a skewer or the back of a knife or and make holes in it like this. Back of a spoon or a fork to make holes in it, preferably a skewer is good. Make holes in it this way. And the reason is that you don't want your beautifully made shumai to stick to the bamboo steamer base or this one and ruin them or tear them. So we put that down in there, and that's where we will put our shumai when they're ready to be steamed. I have water, as I mentioned, on the other stove, heating up to steam our dumplings in. All right, so here what I'm going to do is put a heaping tablespoon right in the center. You don't want to overfill because we're going to wrap the shumai into its traditional shape, and you don't want too much filling coming out. So we're going to just fill a heaping tablespoon right in the middle. Use a little less if you want to when you're first starting, to make sure you get that nice shape. And then if you need to, we'll smooth it off with a knife and crimp the wrappers.